Good morning students. Hope all of you are doing good. I Miss Garima. Welcome to RKP online classes. So in this class our topic is comparing the numbers. Why do we need the comparison of numbers? So first of all, let's have a look to a clip. Now students, watch this pic. You have seen two girls standing according to their height. One girl is 130 centimeter and other one is 160 centimeter. Then how can you guess who is taller? Then how can you guess? Yes, by comparing it. If I want to know who is taller, then I will compare who is taller. One is 160 and one is 130. So who is taller? 160 centimeters. So students, by comparing the numbers you can easily know who is taller. So by this way we need comparison of numbers. Now student, watch this pic. In this pic you have three signs to show. One is greater than, one is less than, and one is equal to. These three signs are used for comparing the numbers. Now student, watch this clip. In this, see the alligator mouth. If it is open to the left side, then we can say it is the greater sign. As you can see, the alligator's mouth is open to the left side and left number is 71. So we can say 71 is greater than 67. And now watch again a clip. If the alligator mouth is open to the right side, then we can say it is the less than sign. Means 17 is less than 58. So in this way you can easily remember the sign. One is greater than and one is less than. If the alligator mouth is open to the left side, then it shows the greater sign, and if the alligator mouth is to the right side, then we can say it is the less than sign. Now students, it is our first step to how to compare the numbers. When the number of digits is different, then number with greater digit is greater. Means first of all count the number of digits, and that number that has number of digits, many number of digits, that number will be the greater. Let's take an example. In this number, count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 digits, and count here 1, 2, 3, 4. Means it has 4 digits. Then the number of digits, as the definition suggests, the number with greater digit is greater. Means it has 4 digits, it has 3 digits. Then who is greater? This, and what sign will come? This sign. Means 948 is less than 1036, right? Let's take one more example. Now first of all count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 digits and it has 3 digits. Then who is greater? Which number is greater? This. Then what sign will come? Greater than. Means you can say 1235 is greater than 438, right? And in this number, what will you say? 948 is less than 1035. Means this sign shows the less than sign, this sign shows the greater than sign. Okay. Now our students, when the number of digits is the same, first we have done the number of digits are different. Now if the number of digits is same, then how can you compare it? So first of all, compare the digits in the thousand place. After that, if the thousand place, if the digits in thousand place is same, then come to the hundred place. Okay. If the hundred place digit is same, then come to the tens place. If tens place digit is same, then come to the ones place. If all digits are same, then you can say it is equal. So let's take an example to make this clear. Let's take step by step. First of all, when the number of digits is same, means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are same. Okay. Then compare the digits in the thousand place. Compare. What is thousand place? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand place. And place it also in place chart, place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Compare the thousand place. This is 7 and this is 7. Both are same. Then if the digits in thousand place is same, then the digits in hundred place. Compare. This is at hundred place the number is 8 and at the hundred place the number is 6. Means which is greater? This is greater, so put the sign here. This is the greater than sign. Okay. Now let's take another example. Now first of all, check the number which is greater. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 digits and it has 4 digits. Means number of digits are same. Then what will you do? Compare from the thousand place. This is the ones, tens, hundred, thousand place. 6 and this is the 6. Both are same. Then go to the hundred place. Both are same. Now what will you do? Then you will go to the tens place. Tens place is 2 and this tens place is 6. Then what will you do? Yes, this is your greater number, then put a less than sign here. This is the less than sign, means you can say 6825 is less than 6865. Now let's take another example where ones place are different. 5, 8, 4, 1, 5, 8, 4, 0. Now as I told you, first of all count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of digits are same. Now place it in place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. First of all, compare from the thousand place. 5 and 5. Both are same. Now what will you do? Then go to the hundred place. 8 and 8. Both are same. Now go to the tens place. 4, 4. They are also same. Now what will you do? You will go to the ones place. 1, 0. Means which is greater? 1 is greater now. Then this will be the greater number. So hope students you understand it. First of all, count the number of digits. If they are different, then the number of digits, the greater number of digits, the number will be greater. Now when the number of digits is the same, then you will follow this procedure.